Hey guys, let's look at some flashcards today. Doctor, a qualified practitioner of medicine, a physician. Scientist, a person who is studying or has expert knowledge of one or more of the natural or physical science. Factory worker, a person who works in a factory. Program, a presentation or item on television or radio, especially one broadcast regularly between stated times. Series, a program on television or radio, an event on competition involving the public display or exhibition of animals, plants, or products. Judge, a person who decides the results of a competition or watches for infractions of the rules. A person able or qualified to give an opinion on something. Mistake, noun, an action or judgment that is misguided or wrong. Something, especially a word or figure or fact which is not correct, and inaccuracy. Verb, be wrong about. Husband and wife. Husband, a married man considered in relation to his spouse. Wife, a married woman considered in relation to her spouse. Test, a procedure intended to establish the quality, performance, or reliability of something, especially before it's taken into widespread use. Aunt, the sister of one's father or mother, or wife of one's uncle. Uncle, the brother of one's father or mother, or the husband of one's aunt. Child, one. Children, two or more. Children is the plural form of child. Now let's look at some expressions. How do you say? How do you say? For example, how do you say pencil in Spanish? Lápiz. How do you say cup in Spanish? Vaso. Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. So tired. So tired. Let's eat. Let's eat. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay guys, I hope this vocabulary helps you memorize some extra vocabulary and expressions. See you later.